I was learning about traits and I thought to make a video on it. So, what are traits? Just think like it is a property that someone have. Okay. So, let's just see the definition of it. A trait defines the functionality of a particular type has and can share with other type. Let's just think of walking. Walking, how does human walk? A human walk in two legs. And how does a dog walk? It uses it for four of its legs. Okay. So it is a trait. It can be shared by two different types, and both type will tell how we implement that trait, how we do walking. The human walks like this and the dog walk like this. That just example is a talk, and human talk in English and dog doesn't say English. Okay, meowth, meow. It's not meowth. Okay, so talk, the dog barks, but the human says in English. So it is a trait that two different type can share, and ultimately the individual type have to tell how we will use, how we will implement that trait. Like if the trait has something like you have to say something in trait, so human has to tell how will I say, and the dog has to tell how will I say. So let's just build something. Let's first define a struct called dog, and also a struct called human. Okay, and let's just give it a parameter. Okay, we will define it later. Let's just implement some trait too. Trait is, what are the traits? Trait is walking, and those who implement trait, they should tell how will they walk. Okay, so function walk, it will take self as an input string. So we define signature, like walk will give a function that is walk, and the dog has to tell how will it use walk. If it implements walking trait, how will it, like how will it implement, what will be the things inside, like what will it do if it walks. Implement walking for dog. So if you implement walking for dog, we have to tell function walk, then how will it walk. Let's just say and if we implement walking for human, I'll have to tell function walk format. Okay, let's create a function name. Let's create the instance of both of the struct. Let d let dog is equal to. Okay, let's write an implementation for dog too, like function new should take set first and self dog name should be okay. Name is equal to string from max. Okay, and if I call dog dot walk, what will I get? Run. Oh, I didn't get anything. क्यों नहीं भाई? Print. You will see I walk on 4 leg. Okay, and just same for, let's say we implement it for human. This is a basic implementation. It is just for creating a new human. You can directly instantiate here also. So I'm not Rust God. There is one friend of mine who is, he call himself Rust God. So if we print, indeed he is also. So, and if we print man dot walk, what we are gonna see? I walk in 2 legs. Okay. So there was a trait walking that will show, that will just say, or that will just put out a string. How will you walk? It just says ki we walk in. And if you implement walking for, you have to say how you are gonna walk. So dog says I walk on 4 leg, and human says I walk in 2 legs. And when you create instance of it, you call, you get the different values. So this is what I understood, and I tried to make you understand. Thank you.